Hi, I'm Ed McCurdy MC DJ, VJEd here with Alliance Home Inspections, and we're riding with Troy. You'll remember last time we had just finished the first inspection on the island. Now we're just arriving at the second house of the day. We meet with the owner and get right on the outside inspections, digging the septic and flying the drone. We have to be done here in time to make the 2 p.m. ferry ride back to the mainland.
In regards to your septic system, can you show me where that is? Yep. I guess it's newer. Go. Yeah, you had some work done to it.
Yeah. Right here.
Okay. And where's the tank?
Right there.
Oh.
Jesse.
Oh, yeah,
Right there.
No, I moved the bush there.
Oh, you did. Okay.
Right
Yeah.
here's the tank.
Oh, that looked like the handle.
Yeah,
That looked like the steel handle of it. I thought, what a golden treasure.
The kids gave me and I wanted and I moved it. I got it replanted.
Yeah, perfect. So it's right
But he
here.
just did this.
Okay.
Oh, you see
So,
it?
So in order to do my septic, I have to dig up a small area.
okay.
I'll put it back as neatly as
Oh,
I can.
no,
Yeah.
that's fine.
Yeah. All right. Well, we're gonna
All
get
right, now go
started.
to it, and if you have any questions, just yell.
Perfect.
So,
Thank you.
Great. Thank you so much.
Do this.
try to keep
First,
it
is that what
away.
we-
Let's
Or-
yeah, let me go grab.
Jesse, come
Let's
on.
go grab it
I
for.
want you to be good.
With me for a second here.
Got a lot of
That's it.
character, the old place. It's got a lot of character to it.
So we just had the roof shingled and
Yeah, it looks great.
like I say, we was debating on doing that, so we was gonna tear it off, and then we said, well, let's just
Is it nailed over or is it?
downsize. No,
or
he
they
stripped
it off.
everything. Oh,
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
We gotta locate these. We're gonna throw it around.
It just had the roof redone and they did strip it.
It
So
is.
it's one layer.
Perfect.
Where are you guys from?
Bangor.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, we do a lot of island properties
Okay.
over here. There are indications of any type of markings, so we're just gonna where she indicated the general area where it is.
So
You
in
know.
other words, if she wasn't here and the buyer was here, we wouldn't know. We would have to.
We would have to troubleshoot. So normally what we'd have to do is we'd have to, find the line, run it with our camera, and then hit our transponder to
Got it.
locate exactly
So
where
this
it is.
saved us.
Yeah, as long as it's here and it's not
Too
10
deep.
feet underground.
You'll probe until you can hit the corners. Yeah, it's only 8 inches.
And it's not metal. Just saying.
Yeah. Fonda steps back.
So come over here and feel this, Fonda.
Yes.
Hit it, like tap it.
Yes.
Feel it feels concrete?
Yes.
Okay, so it's right there. We believe, unless it's like a good rock.
Yes.
But that feels like you hear the hollowness, it sounds like concrete.
Right.
So what I want to do is, I can assume it's located lengthwise like this, but we really don't know. So we got to really spend some time.
It's almost got to be because it's so shallow.
Right there.
Yep.
So now
You're going about a foot apart.
yep, still got it. So she was spot on. She knew right where it was. And I still have it. So we'll see. If I go
One
much
more.
further, it's going to be.
Past it.
I've
There.
gone past it. Okay, so I'll split the difference. So we know that is an actual edge of some sort.
Right.
So now I'm gonna come back here to this last hole and move over. Yeah, come right over and do it. Okay?
Another
Further.
foot.
Yep.
2 feet, 5 feet, 3 feet.
Yep.
There.
I think that's the end of it right here, but just go ahead and hit it anyways. You can almost see it.
Yep.
Oh, good eye, Troy.
Yep, so I would draw a line right here. So like I said before, it's most likely laid out in this direction. Now we got to find the edges going this way. And we try to do this minimizing, the marks on the lawn, but it's hard.
It's actually good to aerate it a little bit with the holes. Isn't
Right,
that?
yeah.
When you're digging is a different
No,
story.
you got to go deeper than that.
That
Okay.
sounds like a rock.
See, so anytime you feel something like that, okay, she did get it. But sometimes you'll hit something that doesn't feel like the
Right,
tank.
I'm all paranoid that it's gonna
Yep, nope.
shoot you.
No.
This is a concrete tank.
Just kidding.
Yep. Yep.
There you are.
You're down past it.
Yep.
Okay, so I would make a mark
Right here.
roughly right there. Yep. Yep. And then you're gonna do the same for this direction over here.
All right, where are we? There and there.
How you doing, sir?
Right there. So go back in a little bit and just see
Yeah,
if you hit
maybe
the
like
edge
right
again. You're still, yep.
So it's probably like right here.
There it is.
Yep.
Right here.
So the edge is right there.
Okay. So if we have to.
Morning.
Morning.
Hello.
Hi there.
Do you know where the cap is or the lid?
Oh,
It's probably
We're
right
about to
there.
find it, but
it's like 8 feet off the
Yeah.
corner there, and I can't remember just exactly. I
Yeah.
haven't measured out once. But
we probed, so we've got.
it just.
Do you know where the outlet?
Summer.
Do you know where the outlet
It's probably right here.
goes? Yeah, probably on that end.
Outlets on this side, comes around this side.
Yeah.
The inlets goes in that side.
Yeah.
Cool.
Excellent.
750 is what it is.
Excellent. You had that put in when, sir?
I put it in myself a year ago.
A year ago?
Last summer.
Yeah.
Oh, there.
And your field is right off in this direction?
Field right here.
Right there. Yeah.
Beautiful.
So it comes out in 90s, I assume?
No, I did 45.
45s? Yeah. Yeah, not
Just-
90, yeah, 45.
They don't like them hard corners.
No,
on
no, no,
plumbing
no,
inspectors.
no.
Yeah, that's right.
All right, thank you. So right,
That's why we
so
brought the rope, right?
right, so right here, okay. So I get a general sense for, so it's 2, 3, 4. We'll say 5 feet. So I'm gonna split the difference, okay?
Mm-hmm.
We'll start here, 1, 2, 2.5. I'd say right. If you dig up this spot right here, Fonda, will be pretty much spot on right there. And I'll get started on the outside.
If you can save the chunks of grass to the side,
Yeah,
then you can
sometimes
put the.
Like with this
Put
one,
the
go all
grass
the way
back.
around and then split it in the center, and then we can put the sod back in
Like
place.
a puzzle.
Yeah, and you gotta get right down to the tank. I think it's only like 8 inches down.
Cool. Dig 'em, dig 'em. Dig 'em, dig 'em, dig 'em, dig 'em. So Fonda has just about finished digging up the tank cover. Troy is working on the exterior inspections, and Ed sets up the drone for the roof inspection. We still have a lot to do, including a septic flow test and inside the house, and it all needs to be done in time to meet the last ferry of the day at 2 p.m. Check out episode 8 and see the full drone video and interesting basement for this nice piece of property on Swans Island. See you next time on Alliance Home Inspections Riding with Troy. I'm VJEd.